Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you what we're going to be using for planners. I changed my idea when it comes to planning. So you're going to see that I am changing quite a few stuff here in our homeschool. And the reason for that is because we do a lot of car schooling, and it's a little bit more complicated when you're doing car schooling. So I decided to create my own planner this year and my own layout for different reasons. The first one is that I want something that is tailored to our homeschool, and that will include the planner. Second, I was looking for something that was going to be durable, that was going to help me when we were doing car schooling. I noticed that this past year, while the planner was a good planner, I saw that the pages were starting to detach from the planner. I can see the glue, the division when I opened the planner, the book, and it was just too much things going on, and it was just getting me distracted and taking me more time than what I was needed. So I decided to create my own planner with my own layout of the things that I think I'm going to be needing in order to be able to make note and keep me accountable with our homeschool. This year, I want to concentrate very well in what we're doing, and I need a planner that will help me and allow me to do that, to keep certain consistency in our days and a structure to our days. And I think the fact that I just simplified my planner as well, it was going to help me for that. I created a planner as well for my kid. These planners you see here, this is a tool notebook, is just what this is. And what I did is that I create my own planners, and I just added to this tool notebook. This tool notebook is being with us since the beginning of our homeschool year, so it's been lasting us a very long time. And actually, this notebook is where I was using at the beginning, what I was using at the beginning to add all the information to use as a portfolio. And I think there's a video in regards to that on my channel. But it's been with us for a very, very long time, and it's been lasting us this long because of the material. And that's what I wanted. I wanted something that was going to last us a pretty long time. The same with my planner. I just use something that is going to last me for a very long time. And I would like to show you guys. So I will just flip the camera and show you my planner. So I decided to create my own planner. So here I have my kids, what is going to be my kids planner, and here I have my planner, and this is an ARC notebook from Staples. So I will just start with mine. So let me just take these out, and I will take obviously this paper. Let's see if I can get it fast, you guys. Let me see if I have, oh, it has a way to detach from here. Okay, should have started with that already. So here's the planner right there. Hopefully you guys can see that well. So this is the first page of my planner. So it is a homeschool year, and then I will add my name there. I add a calendar, so I have the 2 pages for the calendar. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, let's see right there. I decided to add some pages for passwords and websites because I like to go through certain websites. We have Matthew C. We have other programs that required us to get on the computer or to look for information. So I was just wanted to have those handy. So I decided to add 2 pages for that. I think I add 2 to 3. 2. I have a daily tracker, and I have a book tracker, and I have a few pages for the book tracker. I have monthly pages and I didn't need that much space for the monthly pages, but I need a space. So I just create these ones that I think are going to be helpful to me. So obviously I have the pages for the months, all the months in here. So let me just skip that. After that, we have the weekly planner, and I have already the names of the subjects that we are going to be doing. This time I did it differently because I add the days of the week on the side and the subjects on the top. That is new for me. Completely new, this layout, but I think it's going to work very well. At least I am going to try. If not, I have another set of pages that will work very well for me that I created and set it differently. If you notice, it's a thin paper. That's why you can see, I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but you can see the back, because I was wanted to try first and I didn't wanted to waste this paper and then print it again on a thick paper, which I have. So I just leave it there. I don't care if I use highlighters and it just goes a little bit on the back. It's because the planner is meant to be used. So I got that clear. So I am fine with that. So this is the weekly spread. You can add the number of the week that you're working with here. I have the date, and you have Bible, reading and spelling, grammar and writing, math, history, science, Spanish, and as well electives. And I add the days of the weeks in here again, because if I close the planner, I am not lost with the things that I have to do. And you have obviously 52 weeks of planning pages of weekly planner. And let me just skip these so this video doesn't take long. Almost at the end, I add our year in pixels. So it's a very simple planner. It's just black and white. You're not going to see color in my planner. I think I would like that. I would like to add that color once I start filling up the planner. You have the yearly overview here. I was going to add this at the beginning and I forgot, and I just added all at the end, and I'm fine with it. So I just create this spread. It's easy, simple, black and white, nothing else, nothing less. And I have obviously a few pages of that for the different subjects that we're going to be working with. And I will show you guys how I will fill my planner. After the yearly overview, I have some spreads that are just dotted pages. And I created a few of those pages for myself. After that, I have a savings challenge planner. Simple, black and white. I actually found these on a website. I just changed everything. I changed the printing. I changed as well the design in here, and I changed a few things as well with this page. I just changed a few things. I found it, and I just changed some of the things that were in here, and I just changed the print of the letter. And I add a scripture at the end, and it says all scripture is breathed out by God and profitable for teaching, for reproof, for correction, and for training in righteousness, that the man of God may be complete, equipped for every good work. And that's a Bible verse that I decide to add at the end, and a few pages from the ARC notebook that is already, the notebook comes already with it. So it has pockets at the front, and you have a little pocket here for the pen. And that's it. That's how simple is my planner for this year. I think I have good space to add memories in there, to add information. And if I see that I need something else, I will just add it. But so far, this is perfect for me. It's simple, to the point, and that's what I wanted for this year, because I am trying to simplify it as much as I can. So now let me just show you as well my kids' planner. I just want to say that I liked the ARC notebook because it's something that is a hard cover. It feels like leather. I don't know if it's really leather, but it feels like it. And it's just a system that I think will last us longer. I already have a few layouts that I created for myself for a planner. And I think that it's just changing the pages and using it for the upcoming year, for the next year, after we finish our year for 2024, 2025. So I can use it again for 2025, 2026. And it'll be just perfect and fine. And I think it will work very well for us. So next, as I was saying, I would like to show you the one for my kid. Obviously, I had another layout for my kid, but I made a mistake and I print a lot of pages for my planner, and I kept some to use it in case I made a mistake. But the other ones I just added towards my kid's planner instead of using the ones that I had already printed out for him. So I just use mine so I can just keep those. And the other ones I just save it for next year. So I have, again, the calendar spread. Obviously, I'd add him some of the pages that I had previously in mind for his planner. He has a reading log. Hopefully you guys can see that. So he has a reading log as well. His monthly pages, so I just added a design there, some dotted design on this side. Monthly pages as well, just like mine. And he has his weekly planner there, his weekly spread here, same as mine. So he has still 52 weeks as well, and I would like just to skip all of these towards the end. Okay. So again, same layout as mine. Here is his side for free art, a dotted page, but he can in here use it as memory, so we can just add pictures in here. He can just say how his day is been going. He can just draw how his day is going, and it's just a fun way to add and have him work with the planner. So as well, he has a progress chart and a saving jar sheet for the money that we are going to be talking and doing financial literacy. So I think this will be very helpful, and a few pages of the tool notebook. It's simple. I think I would like to purchase him some stickers for him to decorate if he wishes so. And that's how we're going to be working with our planners for the upcoming year. That's how it's going to be looking. Obviously, I will give you a look on how I am going to be planning our upcoming year. I will show you as well how these planners are going to be looking and give you an idea on how you guys can prepare for the upcoming year. Let me just show you guys a little bit here better. So that's how the planners look, and it's simple, to the point, and just how I like them to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you then. Bye bye.